Done cutting, right?
We are done. It's all done, except for our touch-ups. And in this video that you're getting ready to see, we're showing you what we did to kind of give our kitchen a little bit of an update. This isn't necessarily going to be a how-to video, so not going to give you the exact step-by-step play that we did. We're just going to kind of give you an idea of something you can do in your RV to kind of make it personal and or personalize it, give it a little bit of splash of color, or you know, whatever. And there's different ideas out there on the market, so but we just kind of wanted to show you one item that we found at Menards. So check out the video and hopefully you kind of get some inspiration and do something in your RV. Good job. Layering. Good job.
Easy enough project.
This is so simple. I do. Yeah. It's so simple. So I guess if anybody's curious about what we're putting up, this is what we got, and we found it at Menards. It's called Aspect Wood, and it's in the Weathered Barn color, and it's peel and stick wood tiles. And these suckers are absolutely lightweight. So we're really not adding any more weight. I mean, I can't believe how lightweight these things are, and they literally are just peel and stick. This is like one of the simplest backsplashes I think we've done. So pretty cool. Pretty excited about it so far. We're going to take some touch up and touch up the gray area. Sorry about the mess behind me. But we're going to take some touch up and touch up in this gray, or in this area where you kind of still see the wood. We're going to get a gray pen and touch up that area. So far, liking it. So far, so good.
A little square right there, and then it was 6'2". Trying to vacuum it.
Yeah, it's true.
It's not bad, huh?
No, I think it's looking pretty good. I'm liking it a lot better, having it up, you know? It's kind of like Marissa, you know, when Nathan was doing the wall, and it was just a portion of it, and so I get where she was feeling the, I don't know. That piece isn't going to go anywhere.
The problem is the expanding and contracting. But
Oh, you know what? I've not taken that off.
first time for everything.
By the way, don't do what I just did. Remember to take this off each time. The other side does have sticky portion on it, but just FYI. That's supposed to come off. Don't do what I did. Okay, the next piece is going to be fun.
Cut, right?
We are done. It's all done. Except for our touch-ups. It doesn't look bad. Just a little bit of touch-up. And kind of like these areas. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Good job, babe. So as you can kind of see, here is the finished product. This is everything put up and kind of, obviously all the our little decor in the way. We also ended up buying a magnetic knife rack, so we're pretty thrilled about that. But I did want to kind of point out one thing that we are, in the video you saw that there are these little areas right here that we kind of feel like we need to touch up. You know, you can kind of leave them if you want. They're rustic, but we're going to actually touch them up. And I found this Minwax wood finish in a gray. And the only thing I have to do now is I have to get a tiny little paintbrush so that I can get in these spots much better without wiping it on the wood. But we did have a little sample right here of a spot that was a little bit bigger, and I've already put the stain in there, so it does a pretty good job. I think it matches it pretty well. So again, if you get this product from Menards and you want to touch up those areas, this is what we're using. So it's a wood finish penetrating stain in classic gray 271. I'm sure you can probably find it on Amazon as well. Okay, so there it is, guys. That's our backsplash.